and happy Friday. I can't believe it's already been a whole week since the last vlog, but I'm here at Target early. I'm gonna go in and get a few groceries. I'm also doing a few home things, so I'm gonna see if I can find anything interesting on that front. But I'm about to go in. It's raining this morning, so kind of gross, but I'm not gonna be gone super long because I left Z at home, and you know, she's crazy and wild in the morning. So I'm gonna go to Target. I'm gonna take you along with me and we'll see what we can find. I'm glad the denim shorts are, actually these are skirts. I feel like in middle school are making a comeback. That Mickey sweatshirt is so cute, but I don't need another Mickey sweatshirt, so I'm gonna pass it because I get stuck in the aisle here. But this Minnie Mouse one's really cute too, but I don't need it, even though it's really cute. Okay, I really like these. These are on super sale. I'm gonna get these to put Z's toys in because she has so many now. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I really like the coloring of it. The polka dot's really cute, but I think this will be cuter in our room. I really like that picture. I think that would look really cute in the bathroom, but I'm not sure when I get it today because I'm kind of wanting something else to go in there. But it's a really cute picture. They have some really cute ones. And I'm having to stop by here because look at all the cute Easter things. Oh, the dinosaur and the unicorn and these Easter baskets. Oh, the puppy. These are adorable. So many cute ones. And that was a successful trip. I had so many things that I had to get. I had to get some groceries, but then I also had to get some things for John's office that I'm kind of working on, and the bathroom that's downstairs close to his office. It's kind of a mess, so I'm definitely gonna be cleaning that up. I haven't really changed like any of the rugs or anything like that since we moved in, so I'm gonna do that. That's definitely something I'm gonna work on. And my favorite new Starbucks is, I got this while we were inside, I got John a mango dragon fruit refresher, which he loves, but I got me, this is a salted caramel cold brew. Then I add some of the vanilla sweet cream cold brew into it as well. And it tastes just like the butterbeer from Universal Orlando. Well, not exactly the same, but it definitely is very reminiscent of it. So I'm missing Universal right now. So this is the closest thing I can get. So. Okay, and I'm gonna do just a little mini Target haul of some of my favorite things that I actually got just now at the store. And I'm gonna start off with this wreath. I think this is really pretty, and I need a new wreath out there because I have a Christmas one on our deck. I'm fixing to have to completely change a lot of that stuff out, but luckily I don't have to do too much because a lot of the stuff can just kind of stay year round. I might get a different rug though, and I'll definitely have to take away like the Christmas looking trees, but it's been cold, so I don't want to deal with it, but it's getting to be towards spring, so I definitely want to switch that out. And I love this wreath. I think this is one that can stay until the fall next year. I can put it up and just kind of not worry about it. I really like it. I think it's pretty. I also showed you this in the store. It's a basket. It was actually on sale too, which is great. It's a storage basket. Got a lot of room. I got this to put all of Z's toys in because she has like a million toys, and she actually just likes to go and see which one she wants. So I'll put this in our bedroom, and I like it because it's not tacky looking, or I don't know, it doesn't look like something that you just stick dog toys in. But so that way it can kind of look kind of nice in our bedroom. Next up is something else that I kind of want to conceal, is for Z's dog treats. I got this just because I think it looks a little bit nicer than having a plastic box stuck over on the counter. So that way when we need to give her a treat, we can just pop it out here. And this was, I think, like $12, so that wasn't bad at all. I think it's very aesthetically pleasing, as they like to say. And if you have a dog, I know I have to bring back these toys. These are really cute. They're so fun. These are Sweets and Squeaks from Bark. These are really, really cute. So I got her those. And these onesies. You can actually give them to your dog, I believe, several times a week. So that's good. Like obviously, you know, only like once a day, not tons, but these are really good and to keep her busy. And this is kind of like brushing her teeth. So these are really, really good. I'm going to show you what I'm gonna be doing downstairs with my husband's office space. I'm actually going to Walgreens. I ordered a bunch of pictures that he doesn't know about yet. Of Z and him and us and everything that I want to decorate. And then I have some more fun stuff coming from Etsy soon for his favorite bands and movies and stuff like that. So I'm going to be decorating a little bit down there, but I'm also going to do the bathroom. And I got this really cool marble trash can. I think it looks very contemporary, very cool because he loves that kind of look. And I'm going to do a lot of gray tones, especially in his office, and then kind of move over into the bathroom and use this little storage bin so I can put his glasses and things like that he keeps on his office desk and kind of have a place to set this. And then in the bathroom, I have got to get rid of the rugs because they are so gross. And I got two of these really cool gray ones, and I like these because they're a darker color and you won't be able to see dirt and stuff as much. So that's a fun little hack, and I definitely need to clean out downstairs because I have not done it in a while. Another thing that I got for upstairs was this bowl. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I love the color. I really wanted the bookends that were similar to this. I'm sure you've seen them on TikTok and Instagram, but they were sold out. And I've had the chance to get them like a million times because I saw them when they put them out like a couple of weeks ago, but they're all gone. But I got the bowl, so that's fun too. Of course, some Sour Patch Kids. I'm obsessed. These are not Sour Patch Kids. Sour Punch Bites. Not Sour Patch Kids, which are just as good, but I got those in the Easter candy section, which they had a ton of Easter stuff if you saw. And I got these over in the little $3 bin. As you can see, they were $3. And I'm gonna think of something to do with them. Put them maybe in this little bunny vase over here or something. I don't know. For $3 though, can't really go wrong. For downstairs, I'm getting sick of looking in the bathtub because it's an older bathtub, and as much as I clean, it can still kind of seem kind of dirty. So I'm going to put the shower curtain to conceal it for when John has people over. And that way they can't see what the tub looks like. So I got this one again going with those grays, making it very contemporary looking, as well as the hand towels, which badly need to be changed out down there. And I got this really cool black and white one, and I got this gray one as well. So I think that will make it look really fun downstairs. I'm excited to kind of work around the house today. I'm excited to go to Walgreens to pick up those pictures because I got a few of those to go into our bedroom as well, which I'll show you what I'm doing. But yeah, this is gonna be a little bit of a home. Oh, a few things back here too. I also, this is the other rug, but I also got some hangers. I really like these hangers. They take up so much less space in my closet, which I really like that because I do have too much stuff at times. I've cleaned out, so I've gotten better, but these are really good for no slip and for not taking up a ton of space. But yeah, this is just a little home haul I did, and I will show you how I'm going to try to incorporate these things that I showed you, especially the downstairs that I'm going to be working on, and up here a little bit. And I guess we'll be going to get lunch soon and then going to Walgreens. So yeah, come along. This might be one of the first videos where we don't go to Chick-fil-A. So we're actually at Arby's because John and I both really wanted mozzarella sticks. Z's just here for the ride and the good times. But I'm getting ready to take lunch back because John will have to go in the office for kind of a while today since it's Friday and he has a lot of stuff to do. And then we're gonna watch WandaVision again tonight, which I'm so excited. I love the show. Comment if you like it too. But I'm really excited to see where it goes and what happens with it. And Z and I are gonna work at the house and pick up dinner later from somewhere exciting. Not really, what kind of exciting, but work and do some fun home projects and go to Walgreens to get the pictures. And I have to get my film developed. I forgot of the pictures that we took on Christmas Eve if you saw my Christmas vlog. So I gotta get those developed because that's been like 2 months ago. Exactly. So mozzarella sticks, good as always from Arby's. They're probably our favorite. I gave John his lunch. And Z is patiently wanting something for a snack. But sadly, she cannot have this, not for puppies, but I do have her little milk bun that I'm gonna give her. And then I'm going to do a few things, need to respond to a few emails and get a few things done and around the house. And then we're gonna go to Walgreens in a little bit to pick up those pictures. I have showered and Zia and our back are ready. I'm gonna go take these photos in. I'm excited to see them, but I also have a few photos that I ordered last night that I'm picking up that I've gotten framed and canvas that I think are gonna look really fun downstairs. So we're about to go to Walgreens. Zia and I, we're gonna go through the drive-thru and I'm gonna drop this off and pick up the pictures that I have now. And I can't wait to see what they look like. And yes, I do have on my WandaVision shirt that you saw me bleach in my last video, and still obsessed with it. I love it. So I got the pictures. They're in the back. I'm very excited to see what exactly they look like. I've done it for a few other things, which I showed before in a vlog. I did our pictures from our honeymoon trip and put a few of those up to make it a little bit more colorful. And I did some from our New York trip from last year, which seems like over a year ago, which seems like an eternity ago. So I have some of those, and I have some cute pictures of John and Zia that I'm gonna put in his office. And yeah, I turned in our little digital, or not digital, or like old school little camera, and the film will be ready on March 5th, which is not too far away. So I'll be interested to see what all those photos look like, because I think there are some actually from our wedding on there too. So I'm excited to see what that all looks like. But yeah, I'm fixing to go and get started working a little bit in the bathroom area and downstairs in John's office, clearing some stuff off and making room for his Funko Pops and pictures and things like that. So yeah, successful trip to Walgreens. And we were finally back home. I went ahead and stopped and got dinner at Cheesecake Factory because I decided to be really good tonight. So we're gonna have this while we watch WandaVision. John doesn't get until a little bit later on Fridays because he does have a lot of work to do. But I'm about to show you the pictures that I got and feed Z, who is like over here gulping her food, her dry food. But yes, have dinner, have the pictures, and now I'm gonna get started downstairs. And I'm opening these up. This is one of the canvas paintings. John actually did this on his computer. So I wanted to make it a little art piece. And here are all the other pictures that I have that can go on the wall. They're so easy to do. And it's so simple to do. And plus it doesn't tear up the wall. Like you just place them on there. And all of this was under $100 because I had some coupons, which is really, really good. It would have been close to $200 had I not had them, which I guess isn't bad. But the coupons, there was like 65 and 50% off. So I got to use that. And I'm excited to open these up. This one's already really pretty. And I can't wait to hang them up. And I'm so impressed with these. These are the ones that I'm going to put down in John's office. Look at little Z when she's just a little baby pup. These are going to go into our bedroom, and I love this paw print. The sun just kind of hit it right on a little prism that we have in the house, and it rained a rainbow, so this is going to go in our bedroom too, where her little things are. And then just a few little pictures of Z. I love this picture of John in New York. This is from our trip last January, before everything got so crazy. Look at all the people in the background. Insane. But our New York pictures are going in the bedroom. Like, look at us on the ball pad. Couldn't do that now. But fun times. And look, John in the snow. This is from like a week ago. Super cute. But I'm going to go and try to find a place for all of these. But I'm very impressed with the quality. I love them. And just a little quick update. I think the pictures are so cute in here. I love this little set right here with, I showed this on one of my other vlogs, with this little adventure map that has several of the destinations that we've been to, but I love this little up-inspired picture. And of course, a pic of Z, and look at her when she was just a little baby. I know he'll enjoy looking at that. And of course, all these hats. And I think this space looks really good. A lot less cluttered and just really spacious and nice. And I love it. I hope he does too. We'll see. In the bathroom, I didn't do it before because before it would have looked bad, but I cleaned up a little bit in here. I love the shower curtain. Of course, Hawkins, Indiana, from Stranger Things. I love the grays, and it just looks really clean. As you can see me, hi. And I hope he really likes it. I think it looks clean and nice and tidy. And we have a little sanitation station right here too. And a white noise machine, so we have it all in here. I'm gonna put the pictures up in our bedroom over here. As you can see, I have these already up from a previous time. What I love so much about these is they're just peel and apply. So it doesn't mess with the walls or anything. And you can kind of move them around however you want. And as you can see, super easy. So now we have our New York pictures up and our Palm Springs pictures and our cute little rainbow ball right here. John's home.
Yay!
He's actually been home for a second, but we got Z in her diaper. And we're fixing to have dinner and watch WandaVision. John, what you surprised about downstairs? How would you rate it?
I'd rate it 15 out of 10.
What was your favorite part?
I love all the pictures of the pup.
And the bathroom's clean.
And the bathroom's clean. Woo!
Thank you so much for watching this video.
Yay!